Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you today. I did receive the package a couple days ago, but we have had so many fun things planned and I wanted to share my first reaction here with you on camera. So I just had my birthday a couple days ago, and then right before that, Ben and I celebrated 4 years of marriage. So this is actually coming at the perfect time. I cannot wait to show you what I got. So I want to say a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, I found the brand Talia Sari. I can't quite remember how I stumbled across them, but I love maps, and their whole thing is customizing map jewelry, and they make earrings, necklaces, cufflinks, brooches. I absolutely fell in love with what they did, so I ordered 2 pieces for myself. I have them here just in case you missed it, but I will have the video link down below. I picked up a little brooch and then a ring. I love maps. Sometimes when I'm bored, I'll just be exploring on Google Maps, looking up, I don't know, fantasizing about different vacations, looking up restaurants. I just love exploring them, different hiking paths near that Ben and I could maybe check out on a weekend. I get so many good ideas just from exploring different maps, and they are beautiful. I gravitate towards fine jewelry, small businesses, just something a little bit different. So I customized these 2 pieces for myself and attached very special memories. Here, this is where we got married on Cape Cod. The brand lets you choose either no marker, or you can have a teeny little lab-grown diamond on there. And then this one I made for where we met. We met in college, and it's also coincidentally where I grew up. It's not far from there. So I have 2 pieces with those memories. The brand reached out to me asking if I wanted to share something, and they recently started making fine jewelry. So the 2 pieces that I bought previously, I guess those would be classified as demi-fine. They're brass with gold plating, and they have held up beautifully, but I was so excited to see that they're now offering fine jewelry, so white gold and yellow gold depending on your preferences. I think they develop new techniques. I just love seeing this kind of innovation, this creativity coming out of a small business. I'm so excited to share with you what I got. So their website is so much fun to play with. It took me a little while to figure out what place I wanted to do, and then just playing with the little map featured. I'll have a whole demo here so you can see what I mean, but you can choose what kind of jewelry you want that's going to impact the shape, whether you want to do a circle or a square. I love the square brooches. I'm really excited to wear that in lapels, and we're moving into winter, so I can put them on my coats, different suit jackets. But I love playing with the map feature and then seeing, do you want water filled in? Do you want it to have more fine lines or be more filled in on the gold? So many different options. You can have the markers on there. I think last year they had a little gold enamel pin that you had at the center. So here is the package. I did remove the outer packaging just because it had my address and it's easier that way, but very secure. Here we go. So it came in this little dust bag, this little pouch. It has the brand on there. This is my first time seeing this. I'm a little nervous. So I chose to make a necklace, and I put the marker at our very first home that we shared together. So Ben and I, we were engaged and got married up in New England. He proposed on Cape Cod, but we lived in Providence for a while. I have this whole video of him carrying me across the threshold in our first home. So it's just a really special place for us, just where we took that first step as a couple. So anyway, I'm gonna try not to babble in this video, but I made a necklace all centered around our home in Providence. Came in this little black box. Okay, I'm gonna try not to cry. I'm gonna have to remember that I still have to talk during this video because you can't read my thoughts. I will have close-ups showing this, but it is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna need a second here. You know what's funny is I never used to cry, and then I fell in love, and now I seem to express myself a lot through tears. Anywho, this is a white gold little necklace that I made, and the tiny diamond is centered on the first apartment that we shared. We lived in the old Italian neighborhood, so a ton of good restaurants, beautiful place to walk around. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is so, so beautiful. So here they have a special note that's just at the very top here in the box. It says, one of a kind. This is an original Talia Sari design. Each piece is uniquely sketched, crafted, detailed to produce a one-of-a-kind design reflecting your map's individual attributes. And then it's signed here. And this is exactly how it came with my other pieces that I bought. It's just such a beautiful touch. So I'm just gonna, here, each piece comes with a little map showing where you have, and it says, I hope you enjoy wearing this memory. Okay, I don't even know what to say. I need a second. I really hope the camera is doing this justice. I'm not sure what style chain this is, but the shine on it is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this. Now, I work from home, so I'm not always getting really dressed up, but I always put on jewelry. There are so many days where I don't put on makeup, I don't leave the house, I don't put on my nice clothes, but I love wearing jewelry, even if I'm just putting on maybe a nice top for a video meeting. I don't know if you can hear my cat crying in the background, but that's the thing. I'm home a lot, but jewelry always makes me feel a little more energetic, a little bit more special, like I've done something for myself and I feel more confident going into my video calls. But I cannot wait to wear this. Honestly, I can't imagine someone not loving these pieces, so keep in mind they are individually made to order, so they take a couple weeks. I would say maybe just budget a month just in case if you're getting it for an event or a birthday, the holidays are coming up. It would make a brilliant gift for so many different occasions, just attaching different memories. I can see this being a really sweet high school graduation gift or college graduation gift. Maybe you have a child who's going away to college for the first time. That could be really special. I can just think of so many different memories to put, and you're always gonna have something totally your own, totally unique. I cannot wait to share this with Ben when he gets home. Providence was such a special place for us. I love the stories that these maps tell, and I will definitely be getting something else in the future. Let me know if you go to their website, if you make something. They do often have like 10 to 15% off. They'll have different discounts throughout the year, celebrating holidays, things like that. So check them out. They do have a range of prices. I think I'll be getting something maybe in the yellow gold, layered up. That could be really fun, but it is so much fun exploring the website, playing with the different map functions, checking different designs out. So please let me know if you end up making something. I loved sharing this moment with you, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.